Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Dollar General, about to get into a quick and easy all digital deal. This deal is going to be very experimental, so fingers crossed that it works out well. So on Sunday, many of our accounts got these new purchase-based P&G coupons that I've never seen before, but I am excited to test them out. On some of my accounts, I got a 7 off of 30, and then on some of my accounts, I got a 5 off of 20, and then I think there's one more denomination that you could possibly have. But for the purposes of this video, I am going to be testing out my 5 off of 20 P&G coupon. So what I want to test about this coupon is two things. One, I want to test if the $20 spend is before or after coupons, because a lot of times with these P&G deals, we have to spend $20 after our coupons are applied. So I want to see if I can spend $20 before the coupons are applied and still get back the $5. Then I also want to test if it'll work with a 3 off of 15 coupon. You do not need to have a 3 off of 15 to do this deal. I want to test it with the 3 off of 15 because if it'll work with the 3 off of 15, then it may possibly work with our 5 off of 25 on Saturday. So what I'm going to do is pick up $20 worth of P&G products, and I'm going to use my digital coupons and my 3 off of 15, and then I want to see if I'll still get back that $5 in the form of a digital coupon loaded on my account for my next purchase. So let me show you everything that I'm going to get. Before I show you those items, I want to tell you about a really quick digital deal that you can also do this week at Dollar General. So we have a nice new freebie on the Big Pens. So these Big Pens right here that are $1, we have a brand new $1 digital coupon that will make them only 1 cent. So they won't be free or give overage, but they will cost you a penny after that digital coupon. So that's a great filler item if you need to add it in for a 5 off of 25, or if you just want to grab a free pack of pens. Another freebie that you can grab this week is the BioFreeze if you can find it. So the patches are $1.75, and we do have a new $2 digital coupon that will make them free plus 25 cents in overage. So the first thing I am going to grab is the Tide Simply Oxy. So this variety only the Tide Simply Oxy is $6.95, and it attaches to our $3 Tide digital coupon. So I'm going to grab that as my first item. We're going to be using that $3 digital to get this for only $3.95. The next thing I'm going to grab is the smaller version of this detergent. You can get any scent on this one, but these are $2.95, and we have a $1 digital coupon. So I'm going to grab this one right here. We're going to be using that $1 digital. And it's very important with this deal, scan every single item that you are picking up in the app to make sure that all of the coupons that you plan on using, especially this P&G coupon, are attaching to the products, because some of these items may not be included in the deal. We don't know. We haven't worked with this coupon before. So make sure that you scan everything and make sure that every coupon that you want to use is attaching. Now I'm going to grab one of these Swiffer Duster Starter Kits. So these are the 1+5 count with gain. They are $4.50, and we have a $2 digital coupon that we are going to use on this. The last thing I'm going to grab is 2 Febreeze car fresheners. So I wanted to get the small spaces. You can get those as well. My store is out of those. So I'm going to grab 2 of these $3 Febreeze car fresheners. So these are $3, and I am going to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is our $20 P&G deal. So for coupons, I am going to use the 3 off of 2 for the Febreeze. I am going to use the $2 for the Swiffer, the $3 coupon for the Tide, the $2 coupon for the Tide, and I am going to use a 3 off of 15 that is completely optional. That should give us a total of $12 in coupon savings, leaving me to pay just $8.40 at the register, and then I should get back $5, making my final cost just $3.40 for all of these items. So I'm going to go up to the front. I am going to have her scan all of my items. I'm going to enter in my phone number, all of my digital coupons will apply. I'm gonna pay the $8.40 plus tax, and then I'm gonna head home because a lot of times these coupons can take, an hour or so for them to load onto your account. So I'm gonna head home, give it some time to load onto my account, and we are going to see if I get back the 501 for my next purchase. So I'm gonna check out and then I will debrief after. All right, you guys, so I am back at home and it's only been about 25 minutes. I came straight home and let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So here's everything that we got. We just used all digital coupons. So there's the big Tide Oxy, $6.95 with the $3 digital. There is the Febreeze. Those were $3 a piece with the $3 off of 2 digital. There is the pins that we got. Those took off 99 cents for that coupon. So that was only a penny. There is the Swiffer $4.50 $2 digital, and then there is our other Simply Tide with Oxy, and we use the $1 digital. That brought my subtotal down to $8.40 for that deal, with $13 in savings. So I paid out $8.40 out of pocket plus tax for these 5 items. And for the big news, I checked my account on my way home. Literally, it was only like 5 or 10 minutes past. The 501 coupon was on my account. I was able to see it online on the mobile site before I was able to see it on the app. Make sure if you're checking for it on the app that you actually close all the way out of the app and go back in. And then I looked on my saved coupons and it was right there in my saved coupons added to my account at the top of the list. So that was a beautiful situation. So we paid $8.40 out of pocket, all digital coupons, and then we got a 501 that we can use for our next purchase. So that makes the final cost for all 5 of these items only $3.40. So a couple things. One, because this worked with the 3 off of 15, I am feeling very hopeful that this will also stack with our 5 off of 25. So fingers crossed for that. Number 2, you do not have to buy these same items. Just make sure to get your total over $20. You can use paper coupons if you want to, and I'm sure you can come up with a much cheaper scenario, but I just wanted to use all digital coupons to keep this transaction very clean and newbie friendly. But definitely do whatever works for you, but just make sure that you scan every single item that you are including in this deal, to make sure that it qualifies for that P&G coupon. So I hope my little experiment was helpful to you all. If it was, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.